Hello future engineers. So in this video we are going to solve the problem of binary to gray code and gray to binary conversion. So how to convert this type of question? So let's see. I take two questions which is includes binary to gray and gray to binary conversion. So let's solve this first binary to gray conversion. Before that I will explain some rules of conversion. So the rules for conversion, right? Conversion. So the rule is if you have same number 1 and 1, 1 plus 1, right? 1 plus 1 will get the same result 0. If you have same number 0 plus 0 will get the same result 0. If you have different numbers like 0 plus XOR 1 like this, so we'll get the different answer 1, and 1 plus 0 will get the different answer 1. So this is the rules you have to remind. So let's follow this rule and solve the first question. This is the conversion of binary to gray. Then we will solve gray to binary, right? So let's see. In binary conversion we'll just first write this same number, first number as it is, first number as it is. You have to write first number as it is. Then we'll compare each two number 1 0 and 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. We should compare. Now let's compare these two number 1 and 0. 1 and by comparing 1 and 0 we'll get the answer 1 and 0. 1 and 0, sorry, here 1 and 0, right? 1 0 1 0 we'll get the answer 1, because different numbers have 1, different numbers have 1, same number have 0, so we'll get the answer 1, right? Then we compare this number, then this turn, now this 0 and 0, this is completed. Now 0 and 0, 0 and 0 0. Now compare these two, 0 and 1, 0 and 1 1. Now compare 1 0, 1 0 is 1, 0 1 is 1. So this is the answer of binary to gray conversion. So you can conclude therefore 0 0 0 1 is equal to 2 is equal to, and the answer is 1 1 0 1 1 1. This is the binary to gray. So let's convert. Before heading towards this second question, I'll just convert this gray code to binary, so you will get the clear perfect like concept of this. So let's convert this answer gray to binary. This is gray, right? We'll convert this gray to binary. Now to convert this gray to binary, first step is you just need to write this number as it is. I write this as it is. So in this case you just have to like compare the number of this to this. Look at this. So first we just write this number as it is, right? So 1 is as it is 1, right? So we are converting this gray to binary. So I write 1 is as it is, right? So 1 is at is. Now we just need to compare, not like that, these two not like that. So we just need to compare like this XOR type. So after we get the answer 1, so we need to compare 1 and 1, 1 and 1. The answer is 1 and 1 0. The rule is 0. 1 and 1 rule is 0. Same 0. 1 and 1 we get the answer 0. So we have this, right? So this 0, now this 0 will compare with this 0, right? 0 and 0, this will be 0, same. Now this 0 will compare to this one, right? And different will be different, right? So if you have different, the answer will be different. Now it's turn to compare this one with this one, 1 1. There is same number, if it means we will get the 0 same. Now final is 0 and 1, we'll get the answer 1. So now let's check the answer. Binary, look at this. In first question we have binary like this, so we'll get the binary like this. So this means this is the correct one. You can check like that. So this is the rule. So now let's head into the second question, guys. Second question is gray to decimal, right? So sorry, binary, gray to binary. 1 0 1 1 0 1 1, gray to binary. I will also solve this question in two type, so gray to binary and binary to gray, to make sure all your doubts. So let's see. Now look at this. So let's convert this into we'll first number write as it is 1. So then we'll compare this with this 1 0, it will be 0, right here, and 0 1 it will be 1, right? So you'll go the 1 1, we'll get the 1 1 0, different, right? If you have same, then we'll get the same result, right? 0. So we'll compare this 0 with 0, we'll get 0. This 0 with 1, we'll get 1. This 1 with 1, we'll get 0. So we get the binary here. So let's convert this binary into gray code. Now 1 write as it is. So to convert binary to gray code, so this is the answer for gray to binary, right? So this is the binary code. Now we are converting this binary into again gray code to convert to confirm this answer is right or not, right? So 1 1 as it is. Now we need to compare this to it means 1 0 means we have 1, right? Different. So now compare this 0 1 0 1 0 1